In this video, I want to take you through the steps of creating PayPal accounts, specifically in Ghana, and I would like you to watch the video to an end and don't escape any part of it. Do me a favor, subscribe and like it, and I know and I believe that by the end of this video you'll be able to own a valid PayPal account. Now let's go. For you to create PayPal account, open your web browser and type www.paypal.com/lx. okay, if you are in Ghana, I'm talking about Ghana. Okay, so www.paypal.com/ls, then you hit on enter. Good. Now the first page will open up for you. Then what you do next is to click on sign up. Okay, you click on sign up. Good. Then you see personal accounts and business accounts, and the personal accounts is used for shopping and paying of bills. Okay, and what we want to do is we want to create an account that can be used for shopping and also receiving from other people. So what you do is we will select business account. Okay, because I know that most of us Ghana here, we need a PayPal account to be able to transact or receive payment from outside or for business purpose. So we choose business account, then you click on continue. All right, so it is requiring for us to enter our email. So you enter your email address. Okay, enter your email address. So we enter your email address. So I'll get because of this tutorial I created an email account. That's Befi Nana 224 good at gmail.com. I want you to follow me, and by the end you get a valid PayPal account. Okay, then we hit on continue. Password. So you enter a valid password. Make sure that your password comprises with alphabet, that is capital and small, and symbols and numbers. Okay, so I'll start by typing okay, all right, then we hit on continue. Now here, pay attention here carefully. So here what we have to do is we have to provide legal information about the person who is going to own the account. So you have to provide your name here. Okay, so I'll type Nana, then my last name will be Befi. Okay, so over here I have to give a legal name to the business. So I'll type Nana Befi or Nana Incorporative, Nana Enterprise, Nana Enterprise. So our business name is Nana Enterprise. Then we come to the phone number. So you select Ghana, that's the code, +233. Then you come and enter your phone number here. Good. Now you come to business address. So here you can enter your home address, house number 345 AT, business address 2, Sunyani. Okay. City, Sunyani. Sunyani. Okay, are you following? Okay. Then we come to portal code is 00233. Okay, 00. Then look at here, very serious. Over here, the currency is US dollars, and you know that most of our trading in Ghana here we use the US dollars, so it will be advisable for you to leave it to remain the same US dollars. Okay, then you click on agree terms and condition. When you are done, then you click agree and continue. Okay, now it is requiring for us to describe our business type. So you click here, then you choose sole proprietorship or individual, because you are an individual who is going to own the account. Then if there is any keyword that you can type to describe the business, you can type it here to describe the business. Okay, but if there is nothing to say about, you leave it. And if there is a website that you have to link to the business, you can type it over here. Okay, all right, then we hit on continue. So we type a keyword describing our business. So we will type professional service. Okay, then we will hit on, we will type professional service. Okay, you enter professional service. Good, then you pick it from here. Then over here, if there is an email address that you want to link it here, you can link it, or a website, you can link it here. Then we click on continue. So here you are required to provide your personal information about yourself. So take time and go through it. Now it says date of birth, so you provide your date of birth. So because of this tutorial, I'll pick 4th, then I'll pick 4th April, then the year, I'll make it 1994. Okay, then you come to nationality, then you select your country. So which country are you? You are from Ghana, so you select Ghana. Okay, good, here is it. Then identity documents. So over here, let's take national ID. So we come to the identity document. We have national ID, passport, driving license. So anyone that you have, I think you can use it. So because of this tutorial, I don't have passport and I don't have driving license, but I have national ID. So I'll pick national ID, then I'll enter the national ID code here. Enter the national ID code here. Okay, then we move to home address. So I'll provide my home address, that is house 346 then second address are you following? Adam Street. Okay, then we move to city. Which city are you? Are you in Accra, Kumasi, or Sunyani? So I'll type Sunyani. States or region, the same Sunyani. So which region are you? Are you in Ashanti region or Greater Accra region? Postal code. So you can use your even your address. So PO Box 24. Then we click on submit. Now, wow, welcome to PayPal business account. Get paid now. Now we have successfully created our PayPal account. Now what is left is for us to do the account setting. So we will go to wow, so we've created our PayPal account. Now it says welcome to your PayPal business account, get paid. Now we have created our account. Now what is left is we have to set our account so that we can now receive payments or make payment. So all that we have to do is come to set online payment. Set online payment. So when we click over there, it will open up for you so that you link your card, that is your Visa card or your MasterCard, or the bank that you think it is affiliated to PayPal, or that you can withdraw your money from PayPal into that bank. So in Ghana here, I'll suggest that you use your Visa card. I think that will help, or your MasterCard. And the banks that can also be linked, I think EcoBank can do, Stanbic Bank can do, and I suggest this one. There are more there, but I suggest these two banks for you, that you can use their Visa card or MasterCard to link up your account. So when you come here, you have to provide your account and click on continue. So says that will you like to set a PayPal on a website? It means your account is ready. So you have 0.00 USD, that is US dollars. Then it means that your account is ready to receive payment, or you can also send money to somebody. And you have to finish your setting by linking your business Visa account. So if you have one, then you have to make sure that you link it to your account. So I think that is it. We have finished creating our PayPal account. So now you can link your business Visa card here. You can link it here. Link and confirm my debit or credit card. So you can link it here if you have one, or you can link also your email address. So you can provide those information to complete your account. So now your account is ready to use. So I will plead with you to like the channel and also subscribe, so that I can come to you the next time with another video. Also, don't forget to comment on the comment box the video that you like me to make in the next time. Don't forget to comment the video that you would like me to do for in my next video. Thank you for watching, and we will meet once again.